This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Discord on your PC and going straight to user settings. This is faster than wandering menus. Click the small gear beside your username in the lower left corner. Once done, make sure your account is unlocked and visible. Discord hides some options when offline or limited. Keep your phone app ready so you can confirm the QR or use its scanner. Preparing both devices saves time and prevents repeated sign-out cycles. You now navigate deeper. Click Authorized Apps inside Settings to reveal active logins and linked sessions. This is where Discord exposes device-specific options. Once there, locate the desktop session entry. Some entries include a small QR icon or menu that lets you display a scannable code. If you don't see it, make sure to toggle Connections and refresh. Sometimes the QR appears only after you reauthorize or connect a new device, so try Finally, click the QR icon beside the desktop session to display the code on your screen. This is the only reliable method to get a Discord PC QR. Scan it promptly with your mobile Discord app because these codes expire fast and are single-use. If you can't find the QR, sign out and sign back in, update both apps, or clear Discord's cache. These steps often restore missing UI elements. If issues persist, recheck your account permissions and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.